We listen and we don't judge. Part 1.
When I was a youth and I wanted to get into a club or a disco, I would pretend I was Borgie.
Oh, alam ko yan, alam ko yan.
What?
Yeah, I know. Parang mo sinasabi, Borgie. Tapos tinatanong ko, yung anak ko si Borgie, pumasok ba dito? Eh, anong itsura? Eh, pag dinescribe na, sasabihin.
Hindi yan si Borgie.
Hindi yan si Borgie. Okay, we listen but we don't judge. Nung maliit ka, kasi order ka ng order ng pizza. Ngayon, alam ko ayaw mo naman yung cheese. So, ang ginagawa ko, pag hiniwa ko, hinihila ko ng hinihila para lahat ng cheese nasa akin. Ha?
Kaya pala you
That's
grew
why
so tall.
Kaya nga.
Or kaya pala
ikaw
cheese averse
pinakamal-
ako kasi
Kaya nga.
ninanenok ni mom.
Kung nagustuhan ninyo kahit papano, please like and follow our We Listen But We Don't Judge.